Nuln oil. Is there truly anything better? But what about spillage, I hear you say? Well, as someone who's never knocked over a pot of Nuln oil, I'm going to let you in on the secret. Now, the first thing to do is just cut a little bit of sprue or plastic to stop the lid flicking down. Just pop it in there. An untimely lid flick down can definitely contribute to an unfortunate incident if you're not careful. With the lid secure, the next thing we need to address is this lovely container's ungainly centre of mass. He's a tall boy, and because with something like Nuln oil you're mainly panning out of the pot, that's a problem. I mean, sure, you could put Nuln oil on a pallet, but that's unnecessary and frankly not feasible if you use the stuff the way I do. Luckily, we all have something on hand to help us with this dilemma. Yes, GW's regular stout pots are surprisingly sturdy. All you have to do is grab 4 from the selection you're currently using and place them like this. Reinforced Nuln oil. For free, you don't even have to buy a specialised holder. I should mention that dropper bottles aren't as sturdy for support pylons, so if you've transferred to dropper bottles, you may just need to find another solution. And now you can slap that Nuln oil on gratuitously without fear of spilling the pot and losing that expensive black gold. Although if that does happen, a pipette can be incredibly handy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Hobby Grotto.